If you're catching waves but still struggling to get to your feet cleanly, if you're wiping out right after standing or getting stuck in the whitewash once you pop up, you're probably making one of these mistakes that are stopping your progression. The good news? Fixing them can completely change how you ride waves. Let's break it down. Mistake 1. Front foot first. This is one of the biggest pop-up killers. If your front foot is landing first, your weight shifts forward, you lose power, and your back foot ends up scrambling to find balance. Your hips should rotate first, your back foot plants first, and then your front foot lands naturally into position. That sets your stance, that gives you control, and that keeps you centered over the board. Mistake 2. Only putting your toe on the pad. This one is subtle but deadly for your balance. If your back foot lands with just your toes on the tail pad, not the whole foot, you instantly lose control of the board. Why? Because you don't have full contact, no stability. And then you stand up, you feel unstable, and you start readjusting your feet. That's where you lose balance, and that's where the wave outturns you. Something you need to avoid at any cost is to readjust after your pop-up. If you have to fix your feet after standing, it means the pop-up was wrong from the start. Every time you readjust, you shift your weight unpredictably, you disconnect from the rail, and you throw off your balance. On a moving wave, small mistakes become big wipeouts. So instead of fixing your stance after your stand, fix the pop-up itself. Let's review the correct pop-up. Here's what you should focus on. Hands under your chest, not too wide, not too far forward. Push up strong, rotate your hips. Back foot lands first on the pad. Full foot, solid contact. Front foot lands naturally between your hands. Stay low, chest slightly forward, eyes looking down the line. That's what it should look like. If you stop doing these small mistakes, your pop-up will feel smoother almost instantly. And once your pop-up is solid, everything else in your surfing gets easier. Try it next session and focus on clean control movements instead of rushing to your feet. See you in the water!
If this helped you, hit subscribe. We've got 100 more lessons just like this, from pop-ups to barrel riding. Link to the full written guide is in the description. See you in the next one.